Hi guys, today's video we are going to check out the 5 best thickness planer. Thickness planer is a woodworking tool used to adjust the thickness of a piece of wood and create a smooth, even surface. It is commonly used to remove material from the surface of rough lumber or to fine-tune the thickness of a board after it's been cut to size. The tool consists of a rotating cutter head with sharp blades that shave off small amounts of wood at a time, allowing you to achieve consistent thickness across the entire length of the board. Number 5. It is a fantastic product on our list. Sold. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price can be changed at any time. Please click subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 4. This product has excellent quality. Sold. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price can be changed at any time. If you want more information about this product, please check description box. Number 3. The quality of this product is very good. Sold. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price can be changed at any time. Number 2. Sold. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price can be changed at any time. Number 1. Sold. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price can be changed at any time. Thanks for watching.